Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Ardiansyah and I am a college student at UBSE Kaliabang. And we gonna learn about computer and hardware. Let's start it. At first, at first, what is computer? Computer is devices that can process data to very quickly and correctly. They're usually We usually use them to help us to do our daily tasks like searching and learning and search for data or information. We can use computer for gaming or playing some games, of course, and we can use computer to doing our tasks very efficient and correctly. Next, we're gonna learn about mini computer. What is mini computer? Mini computer is a smaller version of mainframe computer. It's less powerful but still can do our daily tasks. They still can help our daily tasks. And then, uh, mini computer usually used in company. Some company use them to process data, to storage data, to manage data, and searching for data. As a sample, we must be ever see that hospital using computer to search that patient data like age, their age, their gender, their sickness, and mini computer help us to doing all of that. Next, we're gonna learn about personal computer. Personal computer is a low cost and user friendly. It's usually used by one person and only person. That's why we call it personal computer. Personal computers still strong enough to manage our daily activities and doing all our needs like works or playing some games or writing or watching films maybe. Next, we're gonna learn about hardware. What is hardware? Hardware refers to physical devices from our part from computer that we can see, we can touch, and maybe we can hold it. Next, hardware is part of computer system. A computer can work correctly without an hardware. They is a mechanical part that works together to make the computer working perfectly. There is different type of hardware. First, we're gonna learn about output devices. Output devices, it's used by computer to process data to sound, to a picture, to something that we can see and we can touch and we can hear. As a sample, we must be had a monitor. Monitor help computer process data to a picture, to a display, to something that we can see and we can uh, write in on it, or we can watch on monitor. Or there is speaker. Speaker proceeds some data to a sound that we can hear. Next, it's input devices. What is input devices? Input devices is device that we use to send data into computer system. They allow user to communication with their computer as correctly. As a sample, there is keyboard to writing and mouse to point and click, like mine. As a sample output devices, there is like printers. Printers process data to a hard copies or of documents or picture. Next, speaker used for sound output that we can hear. Headset working the same. but smaller version. Input devices. There is keyboard to writing or typing text. There and then is a mouse used to point and click or giving instructions. The conclusion, in a complete system, there is hardware and software working perfectly and completely to build uh, completely a computer. There to working perfectly, a computer needs software and hardware that works together, and computer cannot run without it. Without device, without hardware, the computer can running on it, and without operating system or software, computer cannot run either. That's it. In this session, we just learn about computer and hardware. I hope my video can help you out and help you all to learn. That's it. Thank you for your time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.